Hi students, in this tutorial video we will explain how you can join a class once you have enrolled into a course at TuitionBud. First, go to the website www.tuitionbud.com. There on the top right, you can see the login button. Click on login. Then enter your phone number with which you had enrolled into the course. You will receive an OTP from us to sign in. Enter the OTP and hit on sign in. Now as you sign in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see all the classes that are scheduled for your course. The join now button would be active around 10 minutes before the class starts. Once you click on join now, the meeting will open in a new tab. As soon as the meeting opens, you will be prompted to select how you would like to join the audio. You are always advised to join with the microphone so that you can unmute yourself during the class and interact with the teacher. So let's join with the microphone. You will be prompted with an echo test that would help you check your audio. Click on yes to proceed. Now here we are inside the meeting. So here on the right we have the presentation area, here we have the public chat, and here we have the list of users. As you can see here, the teacher will have a square icon. The teacher is the moderator of the meeting and all the other users will have a circular icon. You can mute and unmute yourself from here.
You are now muted. You are now unmuted. You are now muted.
And you can turn on your video from here. It is always advised that you keep sharing your screen during the class so that the teacher can see you and interact with you better. Select the quality as high definition from here. Click on start sharing, and here as you can see, the video sharing has been turned on. If you want, you can make it full screen, or you can minimize the presentation area, you can focus on the teacher's video itself, etc. as and when needed. If you want to restore the presentation, just click here and yes, it would be back here. To stop sharing your webcam at any point, you just need to click over here, stop sharing, and that's it. Your video has been turned off. In case if you are not able to speak or if your teacher is unable to hear, you can always click on this button here to check what microphone, what speaker is connected to your audio. And in case if you are using an external headset or earphones for your audio, then please select the appropriate option accordingly. Also, if you ever want to leave the audio and only view the session, then you can select leave audio and you will be in viewers mode only. You can reconnect your audio by clicking here join audio. It will take you back into the same test of how would you like to join the audio and the echo test. Click yes and you are back in. Now from here you can use the raise hand feature. This will send in a notification to the teacher as well that you have raised your hand, and the teacher can tend to your queries accordingly. Please note that it also changes the icon that you have here in the users list. To turn it back off, just click on the button once again. Now over here the public chat window is open. Whatever you type in here, the messages can be seen by everyone including the teacher and all other students. If you wish to start a private chat with your tutor, just click on the tutor's name and you will have an option to start a private chat. And then in the private chat you can ask your doubts if there is something that you do not really want to share with the entire class, or if any personal query that you might have. You can close the chat from here and close the users list from here so that you can have the entire screen for your presentation area. Please be at a lookout for your connection status, as it will tell you if your internet connection is good or not. If you click on that button, then you can better optimize your connection by, let's say, turning off your webcams or turning off your disturb sharing, although this might not be necessary in most of the cases. So that's it guys. Now to leave a particular meeting, all you can do is simply close the tab or leave the meeting from here. Once you leave the meeting, you will be taken back to the home dashboard. And to view other classes and other courses, you can just go to dashboard and check your other class schedule and courses from here. So that's it for this tutorial video. Thank you guys. See you in the next course.